Barack Hussein Obama II was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His story began far from Washington, in a world shaped by two continents, two cultures, and one dream. His father, Barack Obama Sr., came from Kenya on a scholarship. His mother, Ann Dunham, was a young woman from Kansas with a deep belief in equality and education. From them, Obama learned that identity isn't about where you start. It's about what you stand for. Growing up, life wasn't easy or predictable. His father left when he was 2. His mother remarried, and they lived for years in Indonesia, where Obama saw both poverty and resilience up close. He returned to Hawaii to live with his grandparents, where he spent hours reading, questioning, and figuring out who he wanted to be in a world that didn't always know what to make of him. After high school, he moved to the mainland, first to Occidental College in Los Angeles, then to Columbia University in New York. He worked odd jobs and spent his time studying social justice and politics. But the real turning point came in Chicago. There, as a community organizer, Obama saw the strength of ordinary people, church leaders, parents, neighbors, fighting to rebuild their neighborhoods. That work planted the seed for his political purpose. In 1991, he graduated from Harvard Law School, where he became the first black president of the Harvard Law Review. The headlines noticed, but instead of chasing money or fame, he went back to Chicago to teach constitutional law and continue his grassroots work. By 2004, Obama stood on the stage of the Democratic National Convention, delivering a speech that electrified America, the one where he said, "There is not a liberal America and a conservative America. There is the United States of America." That moment changed everything. 4 years later, he made history. In 2008, Barack Obama was elected the 44th President of the United States, the first African American to hold the office. His campaign was built on one word: hope. It wasn't just a slogan, it was a movement. Millions of Americans believed that change was possible again. During his presidency, he faced financial crisis, wars abroad, and deep division at home. Still, he achieved milestones, passing the Affordable Care Act, ordering the mission that killed Osama bin Laden, and leading the nation through economic recovery. But what defined him most wasn't just policy, it was presence, calm under pressure, empathy in every speech. After leaving office in 2017, Obama focused on storytelling, creating the Obama Foundation, producing documentaries, and writing his memoir, A Promised Land. He continues to inspire younger generations to engage, to question, and to believe that one voice can matter. Barack Obama's journey, from a kid in Hawaii to the White House, isn't just a story of success. It's proof that faith, hard work, and integrity can still change history. He didn't just lead a country, he reminded it what hope sounds like. For more video like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.